Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can listen to your mic in Windows 11 in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to come over at the search option and then search for mmsys.cpl and then click enter. After that you can see your sound after that you can see there is our internal microphone. So if you click on that and click on properties, you can see your internal microphone properties will be open. And now what do we need to do? We just need to come over at the listen option over here, and then here we just need to select listen to this device. If you want to set where you want to playback your listen to this device, then you can select it, but I will leave it as default playback driver. And after that click apply. So you can hear that I'm listening my voice from microphone into my laptop in a very simple way. After completing it, just turn it off over here and then click apply. It will be same as before. So this is how you can listen to your voice. You can listen to your mic in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.